Hello? Hello? Oh, good morning. What are you doing here? Eh? Okay, you're a shoemaker. Why are you sleeping? No, why you dey sleep here? Okay. I know that you're a shoemaker. You for repair my shoe. You want to repair it? Eh? What do you say? But I no get money. You go do am free? Eh? For free? Have you eaten? Eh? I don't. Just put gum for me there. I told you I no get money, oh. Alright, thank you. Thank you. That one? Good, yes. It's only that one. You don't finish?
I'm coming if I don't get time.
Eh?
I'm coming if I don't get time.
Okay, I should leave it like this.
If I go get time, I don't get time like now, I don't follow.
Okay, finish. Thank you. Thank you, yeah? Sir, this is 5,000.
Thank you.
You're welcome, amen. Use it to eat, okay?
God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you.
Use it to eat this morning, oh. Go and eat. Don't sleep here. Eh?
You need to eat it for you now.
Eh?
In a 6 color or 4 color, I won't go over here. Thank you.
Okay. Eh?
God bless you.
Amen. God bless you too. Don't sleep here again.
Okay.
Eh?
I bet I no get comb.
Comb. What is comb?
Phone.
Phone.
Wow. God bless you.
Amen. God bless you too. Bye. You're welcome. Eh?
Bye bye.
Bye.